Hello. Today I would like to talk to you about preposition combinations with gerunds. So, what is a gerund? That's the first thing we have to tackle. A gerund is a noun, so a person, place, or thing, that looks like a verb. So we use them under various circumstances. For example, if I say skiing is dangerous if you are anywhere near me, skiing, the word skiing is a gerund. Or, I enjoy sitting and reading a good book. After the verb enjoy, which is an indicator verb, we need a gerund. Today, our focus is not on why we need gerunds or infinitives, but really only when we use a gerund after a preposition. So, we use a gerund after a preposition if you want to use what you think is a verb. Of course, it's really a noun. It's confusing. For example, I could say, I'm excited about the movie. In this case, the movie is a noun. Or I could say, I'm excited about seeing the movie with you. Seeing, in this case, is also a noun, but because it is it looks like a verb, we call it a gerund. A few more examples. Instead of studying, Maria helped her sister. Or, we participated in the parade. Here, once again, we have a regular noun that follows my preposition. But if I want to use what I think is a verb after that preposition, then it has to be a gerund. So, of course, it's not really a verb. I don't care if you know that it is called a gerund. All I am concerned about is, can you use them properly? So why is this important? It's because preposition combinations are not always the same from French to English, or from English to French, or from one language to another. So it's important for us to try to learn them and to understand how they work. For example, in French, j'ai participé à la réunion. It's the preposition à. And so francophones who are learning English tend to say, I participated at the meeting, or I participated to the meeting. But in fact, in English, the correct expression is, I participated in the meeting. And if you have ever spoken with an English person who is learning to speak French, and they use this type of sentence, they might say, as I said for many years until I learned the correct expression, j'ai participé dans la réunion, because we're translating from one language to the next. And it doesn't always work. So you cannot always translate your preposition. So let's try this very short exercise. Up here at the top, we have the five different prepositions that we can use in this exercise. My job consists, beep, helping students. I look forward, beep, seeing you soon. We have succeeded, beep, finishing our project. They were excited, beep, going to Mexico. She was satisfied, beep, passing her course at 61%. So, can you guess what the correct answer is? Let's have a look. My job consists of helping students. Here I have a preposition, and so I need a gerund or a noun after. I look forward to seeing you soon. In this case, to is a preposition, so I need a gerund afterwards. We have succeeded in finishing our project. So succeed is followed by the preposition in. Can I say we have succeeded to finish our project? No, it is incorrect. They were excited about going to Mexico. And by process of elimination, she was satisfied with passing her course at 61%. So satisfied is followed by the preposition with. So how can we learn them? Because there are many, many, many hundreds of preposition combinations. You can practice. You can look in a dictionary when you are writing to try to find the appropriate preposition. You can practice some more. You could listen to English and be aware that these combinations exist and that they are not the same as in French. And of course, you can practice some more. If you look at the homework sheet that I have provided for you, you will see a list of the most common preposition combinations that we use kind of in everyday language. I would like to say that also there are a few errors on that sheet. I apologize for that, but don't worry about it. We'll correct it when we are together. Please make sure you do the entire document. Thank you.